Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Windows Update error 0x80070422. So for fixing this you just need to go to Windows, open settings. After you open settings, go to update and security. Here you choose Windows Update. So now you choose advanced options. Here you choose on. Here you go to delivery optimization, and here must be on. Allow downloads from other, and here it's all OK. So after you do it, you need to click Window Win and R, and right here services MSK, just click OK. So here it is. Now you just need to find Windows Updater. Just go down here, Windows Update. So here you can see you can also choose properties, and here you will see manual, startup type, and you choose to automatic. After you choose to automatic, just click OK and apply. So now you just need to restart your computer, or maybe it will solve now, and you just now can open your Windows Update and you will see no error. So everything will work, and we successfully fixed this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.